All right, let's turn the page here and let's delve into the nuts and bolts of Instagram success. And that is, my friends, your posting strategy. Now, you might think that posting as much as possible is the key to success. No. Well, maybe some of you can do it like that and have done it like that. But here's a twist I want you to think about. It's less about quantity and more about quality and timing. Oh, wait a minute, Tracy. No one's ever said those two things together. Well, okay, little experimentation happens here. Inside that experimentation, you might ask the question, what's the golden rule? Well, I'm about to tell you, so thank you for asking. I want you to post at least once a day. This will help keep your audience engaged. They won't forget about you because you haven't posted in days. But don't post more than 3 times a day. Why? I'm glad you asked again. Because in the world of Instagram, timing isn't everything. It's the only thing. Your post should be like this well-timed symphony. You don't want to be the constant drum beat that's beating them over the head all the time. You're overwhelming and annoying them, right? There's a fine line. Now, you may find that, oh, Tracy's wrong. It's not 3. I can go as many as 5 times and still get the same level of engagement. Good. Do that. Audiences are different. Some folks, I find in my world, 3 is almost the max. I can probably sneak away 4 every once in a while, but when I start hitting 5, I found a drop-off. And you pay attention to your numbers? Yeah. But what about the content of these posts, Tracy? Well, we talked about it being your brushstrokes, and inside there, I want you to make hashtags your secret weapon.